Builder's tea, making tea thick and strong the British way. Hi, this is Ray from Aerista. Today I would like to show you how to make a nice and strong English Builder's tea with Aerista RT Brewer. So let's start. To make the tea strong, we need to stir the tea bag inside a mug for quite a bit of time. With Aerista, we can make the process more automatic with less effort. The ingredients for making Builder's tea with Aerista are water, Tetley tea bags, and whole milk. Put the tea bags inside the infuser and close the lid. I'm going with the regular black tea program. Let's press start. The brewer will go through the heating and brewing steps automatically. Now the tea is done. It's nice and dark. Let's pour out the tea. Add in the milk and give it a little stir. Sugar is optional. And here it is, a strong, robust English Builder's tea. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our Aerista videos and recipes. Cheers and have a great brew!